Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Matt here for 5-minute set reviews. Pre-workout, small company. What else would you expect? I don't know. But it's Trinity Nutrition Lab and their Matrix pre-workout. Matrix. Much better. Now I can continue. Energy and focus, improve endurance, muscle growth. Let's put those to the test. First, supplement facts. Over here. L-citrulline malate, 2 grams. A little bit below our normal of 6 that we like. Let's see if that paired with agmatine sulfate at 250 milligrams, which is also a little bit lower than we like, can give us those pumps that we need. Caffeine, 300 milligrams. That's a good number. I like that. I've been saying on here how many countless times. Yes, I know you know. And then you also have that paired with dicaffeine malate at 50 milligrams. So I'm hoping to have some nice solid energy throughout my workout. You have creatine monohydrate at 2 grams, below the standard 5 grams. So let's see if we can get some muscle growth with this. All right, YouTube Nation, I have one question. You can take the blue pill or the red pill. Matrix fans, anyone? Well, put it this way. It's going to be the red pill because it's fruit punch. So let's get right to it. All right, YouTube Nation. This one goes out to Neo. Do work. Red pill's not too bad. I mean, fruit punch. Sorry. 3.5 scoopers out of 5. It's fruit punch. Good, not bad. All right, YouTube Nation. I'll see you in a handful of days, and we'll see how the performance is. I am back from the Matrix. Yeah, it's crazy in there. Barely made it out alive. Sorry to all my haters out there, but I did. All right, let's talk about the Matrix pre-workout. On the front, energy and focus. 300 milligrams of caffeine, 50 milligrams of dicaffeine malate. Was that enough energy to get me through my workout? It was, thankfully. Improve endurance and muscle growth. Both those were all right. I mean, the L-citrulline malate at 2 grams, creatine monohydrate at 2 grams. I kind of knew going in that the pumps weren't going to be much and the endurance wasn't going to match or last long, I should say. And that's true. You can't really get, muscle growth off of 2 grams of creatine taking this for 4 times, or, these bad boys would actually grow for once. And the L-citrulline malate at 2 grams, like I said, I wish it was at least tripled, minimum of doubled. So, but other than that, the energy was pretty much the main thing with this. George, who, I consider a beginner pre-workout, I had him take this. He had the same exact results as me. Energy was good enough. The taste was good for a red pill / fruit punch, but didn't have pumps. Endurance started wearing off towards the end. Do I consider this a beginner pre-workout or somebody like the entry level that, goes to the gym a few times a week? Yes, but that 300 milligrams of caffeine plus the 50 milligrams of dicaffeine malate might be a little more than you're normally. So maybe start with 3/4 a scoop, work your way up to a scoop. Not saying 300 plus is a lot, but for some people it might be. But measured pre-workout, 3 scoopers out of 5. You're getting there. Not bad, but you're getting there. All right, YouTube Nation. Now you know what time is. Found this review helpful, beneficial, and want to go to the Matrix with me? Hit that like button. While you're down there, hit the subscribe button. Come along for a 5-minute set review ride.